With room for up to 5 adults, the J210 hot tub offers quality and value backed by the JACUZZI brand. Using superior materials and jacuzzi expertise, this round model delivers an enjoyable hydromassage. Select classic jets are adjustable for pressure and velocity, each purposefully placed in ergonomic seats for maximum effectiveness. This easy-to-use hot tub also features a multicolored LED lighting to add to the ambiance. Seats of varying heights and jet configurations can be found throughout this spacious hot tub, targeting key areas of the neck, shoulders, and back. A cool-down seat makes it easy to take a break from heat without leaving the comfort of the hot tub. And in the sizable footwell, an asymmetric foot dome houses jets without utilizing excessive space, making it easy to move from seat to seat. This model utilizes ClearRate technology with a 2-stage top-loading filtration process to facilitate maintenance. Experience the quality and value of the J210 hot tub for yourself. Contact your local authorized JACUZZI hot tub dealer today.